was born in Florence in 1564. He studied mathematics, physics, and astronomy. Galileo went to the University of Pisa as a medical student. He soon realized that he wanted to study math, not medicine, so he left the university and focused on his independent studies. After studying, he became a lecturer and teacher. At this time in his life, he began to invent things and debate different concepts. Galileo spent the last few of his years alone because the church had put him in house arrest for hearsay. His life did not get any better. His daughter died, and he even lost his eyesight. Even with these sad events, Galileo's fame grew. Galileo died alone in 1652.
Tell me what you want to hear. Something that life throws is. I'm sick of all the insincere. So I'm gonna give all my secrets away. This time, don't need another perfect line. Don't care if critics ever jump in line. I'm gonna give all my secrets away.
Galileo invented many things. He invented the telescope and the thermometer. He constructed a hydrostatic balance, which jewelers found useful for weighing the amount of precious metals in their goods. Galileo hit upon the idea of using the swing of a pendulum to regulate clocks. His telescope proved to be the most useful of his inventions. He used it to look at the moon and discovered that it was not flat, but that it had many mountains and craters. He also discovered 4 of Jupiter's moons. Without his discoveries, people may not have had such an interest in the heavens.
Got no reason, got no shame, got no family I can't blame. Just don't let me disappear. I'ma tell you everything, so tell me what you want. Something that life throws is. I'm sick of all the insincere. I'm gonna give all my secrets.
Galileo proved a theory that is a fact in our lives today. Using his telescope, he supported Copernicus's theory that the planets revolved around the sun. At the time when Galileo gathered his evidence, the Catholic Church supported the theory of geocentric, meaning everything revolved around Earth. After Galileo published his discoveries, he was called to trial in Rome. He was questioned by the Inquisition and branded as a heretic. Years later, he was again challenged the church by publishing another book that supported the heliocentric theory, causing him to be called to trial once more. He was sentenced to life imprisonment, but because of his poor health, served his sentence in house arrest.